Everyone likes to play Holi, but did we wonder why do we play Holi? What's the reason behind it? Or what's the story? Let's delve deep into it and find out what actually Holi is.
Introducing the Holi story. Holi, originally known as Holika, is not merely a modern festivity but an age-old tradition deeply embedded in Indian culture. Its earliest references can be found in many ancient religious works. It's believed that Holi was celebrated across the Aryan civilization, with a special affinity in the eastern regions of India. References of Holi can be found in these sources.
Germany's Purva Mimasa Sutras, Kathaka Graha Sutras, Bhavishya Purana, Narda Purana, Ratnavali by King Harshavardhana. A 16th century panel sculpted in a temple at Hampi shows a prince and his princess amidst maids waiting with syringes or pitchkaris to drench the royal couple in colored water. A 16th century Ahmednagar painting shows a royal couple sitting on a grand swing while maidens are playing music called Vasantaragini and spraying colors with pitchkaris. A Mewar painting shows the Maharana with his courtiers. The ruler is bestowing gifts on the people, a merry dance is on and a tank filled with colored water is in the center. A stone inscription of 300 BCE at Ramgarh which mentions about Holikotsav.
The famous Muslim tourist Ulbaruni too has mentioned about Holikotsav in his historical memories. Other Muslim writers of that period have mentioned that Holikotsav were not only celebrated by the Hindus but also by the Muslims. The most prominent legend in relation to Holi is about the demon king Hiranyakashipu. He received a boon that neither a person nor an animal can kill him. So he forced everyone in his kingdom to worship no god but him. His son, Prahlad, became an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu. As he refused to worship his father instead of Vishnu, Hiranyakashipu decided to kill him. He instructed his sister Holika to sit on the fire with Prahlad on her lap. Holika was gifted a cloak that was resistant to fire. When she did so, Prahlad was saved by Lord Vishnu and Holika was burnt as her cloak failed in protecting her. This depicts the victory of good over evil. Following this story, there is a tradition, popularly termed as Holika Dahan. Everyone's bad deeds and flaws are burnt along with straw and other materials the night before Holi. This is a symbol to start our lives in a new way, forgetting all our past mistakes. This even reminds the victory of good over evil, that is Prahlad over Holika. Another popular story related to Holi is about Radha and Krishna. Krishna, as we all know, was a playful boy. He once complained about his dark skin tone to his mother in contrast to Radha's fair complexion. So his mother suggested him to apply colors to Radha's face in order to match his complexion. Thus, applying colors became a tradition after Radha was colored by Krishna. This festival symbolizes love, affection, friendship and the arrival of spring.